Hey guys, welcome back to Perryville YouTube channel. We are at Home Depot to see what amazing deals we can find. Before we go inside, all plants and trees and stuff are 50% off right now, so I gotta find me some pine trees. I got a whole row I gotta do, and then we'll go inside and see what kind of tool deals we can find. They have this patio table that is half off. Oh, I bet it's this one. No, it doesn't look like it's this one. This is different. This is round. But anyway, here's the internet number on it. Stylewell 42-inch dark taupe finish. Is that how you say that? So normally $100 down to $50. I got a whole pallet of them. And then there's another one there that's only $30 off. Well, that one's down to $34. It was $99. Let me see if I can get through here. Stylewell 42-inch white finish. The glass table. Doesn't look like those chairs are included, just the table. Normally $99 down to $34. Now, if you want to get bougie, they got the Home Decorators Collection Avondale 3-piece seating set. So we get 2 swivel chairs and a little table for the center. That high flute and stuff. Normally $9.99 down to $6.99. Now there's a whole nother rack of patio furniture clearance, and this is going to be highly dependent on your store, you know, whatever overstock or whatever you want to call it they have left. There's a whole thing just on different lights, so we don't need to hit all of them because every store is going to be different. You just, if you're interested, go in there and check it out, see what your store has. These are kind of neat looking. For the 4th of July savings, we have this Ryobi 1 Plus Airstrike 18 volt 18 gauge brad nailer. Drives up 2-inch nails, was $139 down to $109. Now this is a tool only, and it only goes for a couple more days here, but I really wish it was a kit because you can reasonably use small batteries with air guns and they still work pretty well. And totally lost my train of thought when dude pulled up next to me. So I wish, you know, you can really cheaply for Ryobi make it a kit instead of a battery and a charger and make it a little bit more worthwhile, but still at $109. Nail guns are always expensive. Of course, you should already know about this one, but if you forgot, or I don't know, you haven't seen it yet, we have the Ryobi Days promotions, the free tool when you buy this starter kit. So the purchase of $99 with the starter kit, you're getting a 4-amp hour and a 2-amp hour battery with the charger, of course. And then we have various tools that you can get. I'm thinking there's more than this. This is just what's on the graphic. If you scan that little QR code, you can find them. We'll use one of the YouTube shopping links that'll hopefully help you find all of the different options. But pretty good deal to get 2 batteries, charger, and a tool of your choice for $99. We have various Diablo accessories, special buy for $12.88. Now my favorite one would be these spade bits, the 10-piece spade bit set. And if we look at it, looks like it's this guy right here. Comes in a handy dandy little pouch, but you got the threaded tips on there, and I'm a big fan of that threaded tip. That thing bites and pulls and rips and all the adjectives you can think of, it does it. And we can also get some saw blades, either 7 1/4 inch or 6 1/2. Whoops, was I down too far? Up too high? I got it. Act like you've been here before. Now we got the 2-pack 9-inch carbide general purpose reciprocating saw blades as well. Now here's the big brother of the other Ryobi Days deal we already looked at, but I thought since we're here, let's go ahead and show you both of these guys. So this one's $199, so twice the price, but you're getting 3 batteries instead of 2. You're also getting better batteries to go with it, and then you get a free tool to go with it as well. I believe all of them are brushless, but again, there's more than what's just listed here. So 2 really good Milwaukee deals. I actually want to start with this one on the left. It's basically what I showed you in a video earlier where we just looked at the inflator here, but these are all the different tools. Now it says $299 here. When I pulled it up online, it was $269. So we'll see what I get with the YouTube shopping links as far as which ones I can find. I'm hoping I can just find this and then you can add your own tool. I don't think that's going to be possible. I think you're going to have to look for these individual ones as a listing. Maybe just search the model number on Home Depot's website and see if you can find the combination with these batteries, but it's 2 6-amp hour batteries with the charger. And any of those guys, and it looks like it's all brushless tools, but $269 was the price I saw online. You'll see what you get. And then over here we have buy this. You get a 5 amp hour and a 2 amp hour starter kit. It's $20 off, but you're also getting the free tools. So they've knocked it down a little bit. This one I haven't looked up online, but I'm kind of interested to see if there's any kind of different pricing, because that one over there is definitely a different price. But then we get one of these tools for free. Now, this Milwaukee M12 deal isn't great, but I guess it's worth pointing out if you're going to be picking up one of these tools anyway. So when you buy one of these three, we'll get to in a second, you get one of these for free. It's the 2.5 amp hour, so it's newer. I guess we can't really call it a new battery anymore because it has been out for a while, but compared to like the 2s and the 3s and the 5, it's newish, you know, newish. 5's newer too. So anyways, you get one of these for free. And the pruning shears would be my favorite, the brushless pruning shears. These things are amazing. Holy Jesus, did I do that? Stop. How long is it going to do that? It's never going to stop. Well, that's annoying. Okay, well, we got the pruning shears, we got the hedge trimmer, or we got the pruning saw. That's really going to go for like 10 minutes, so we just stand here and wait and see how long this thing goes. Someone eventually is going to come over here. Alright, you got it. Here we have some Husky ratchet straps, tie-down straps. It's a 4-pack, 1-inch 12-footers. They're $9.97. They look kind of like this, up in a whole little display of different Husky stuff up here. They have various, I don't know if they're the exact same ones, but different ratchet straps on sale for about the same price throughout the year. But it's not a bad price if you need them. The DeWALT promotions in store are they must be what we call slim pickings, okay? Because here's the entire display, and these really aren't even deals or anything. I mean, there are a couple little special buy things. There's a new lower price deal, but this is it. Now let me show you. Let me just kind of scan the rest of the store. You see all the red? There's lots of red. There's some orange up there. There's some green. There's no yellow. This was the first DeWALT thing of anything that I've seen in the entire store. And look, we go this way. There's no DeWALT over here either. There's like not even a display of tools, nothing. Just this little end cap. I think that's so weird. I've never seen that before. As I was walking by this workbench, I was going to say this is a good deal, but I think there's better options available to you. So this is the wooden 62-inch industrial rolling table, normally $300 down to $199. Now it doesn't have, let's see if I can show it to you. This is a different thing. Don't pay attention to this thing down here. It's got the wood top. There's no drawer or cabinet or anything. It's just the bench top, and it's on casters. And it's kind of supposed to have a neat look to it, but as you can tell, it scratches up really easy. So you're not going to pick it up for that because it gets damaged really easy. It also just feels kind of, I don't know, goofy. Now, if it's still available and I can find a screenshot, Walmart has a deal. I want to say it's $129. They might even have a different one that's $79. That is a WorkPro workbench. Now, I think it's only 48 inches, not 62 inches. But I have one of their other ones, not the Walmart one. And it's better quality than this anyway. It may not be the top quality, but it's better than this. So if you're kind of interested, I'll try and do a little YouTube shopping link or find a screenshot and add that Walmart one as well, because don't do this one. Don't pay. $100 is the most that's worth. There's the sign. I was looking for one of those. Sale, 50% off all trees, shrubs, roses, 50% off while they last. Alright guys, that's it for this video. A little quick trip out to the Home Depot, show you some of the deals. No DeWALT stuff. That was crazy. It's like my main platform, and total bust on the DeWALT. What can you do about it? Now before we go, one more look. Everyone smile and laugh at the Cybertruck. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you guys next time.